Collaboration is just like an orchestra.
I choose toward a shared goal. At Saigon Technology, I think the collaboration means supporting each other, sharing the knowledge, and solving the problems together. We communicate openly and respect different ideas.
For me, the collaboration culture at Saigon Technology feels like shared ownership. When an issue happens, we don't focus on who caused it. Instead, we focus on resolving the problem quickly while minimizing the impact and cost for the client. Besides, team members are willing to help and communication is very open. It doesn't feel like separate teams, but a team toward the same delivery. In one of my previous projects, we ran into a situation where the developer and QC had completely different understandings of the requirement. The developer did everything by the book, followed the document exactly, but when I was testing, something felt off. The business flow just didn't match what the client actually expected. So instead of logging a bug immediately, I set up a quick call with the BA and developer. We walked through the user journey together, step by step, until we all understood what the requirement was actually asking for. And honestly, that conversation made all the difference. We caught it early, made a few adjustments to the logic before the release, and avoided what could have been a pretty costly rework down the line. But more than that, we were all aligned on the actual business goal, which I think is just as important.
In urgent customer incidents, even after working hours, our team responds quickly. We inform each other, divide the task clearly, and support until the issue is fixed. I think the teamwork is very important at these moments. In one project, the client system went down around 9 p.m. and we informed each other via the emergency channel, divided the task immediately. One person checked logs and one prepared hotfix, and one updated the client. Within 2 hours, the system was restored. And the next day, we reviewed the root cause to prevent it from happening again.
I think collaboration becomes most valuable during the requirement discussion stage. If QC just shows up during testing, we are just delivering what we were asked to do. We check, we pass, we close. But when we get involved early and start asking why, that's when things get interesting. We can spot risks before they become problems. We can suggest improvements before anything's been built. Sometimes we even propose a completely different approach that works better for everyone. At that point, we are no longer executing tasks. We are helping build the product together, and that's when delivery becomes co-creation.
No, I don't think a project is truly successful without a collaboration culture. Even if each person does their job well, lack of teamwork can cause the delays, misunderstandings, and quick results. I think real success comes when the teams work together toward the same goal.
A colleague asks you to take on a significant portion of their work because they are very busy. You also have a fairly full workload and your own priorities.
A. Decline completely because it's not a part of your responsibilities.
B. Agree to take on the extra work without informing anyone and manage it on your own.
C. clarify the urgency and priority, propose a practical way to support, and align with your manager if there is a major reallocation of your workload. Good luck everyone!